All right, everyone. We have strength. However, we are focusing on our turkey burn today. Dumbbells, you need medium and heavy, medium and heavy. So let's get going with our warm-up here. Water off to the side. Let's roll. Wide stance, down and up, down and up. Now we have 5 blocks of work, 4 exercises in each. We have cardio, low body, then upper body, then core. So each block, that's the base of each block. There are maybe a couple of repeater exercises, but it's really just kind of running down a list. 4 more, 3, 2, now last one, reach it up and over, side to side, opening up through the lats. So our turkey burn is focusing on high intensity, burning calories, revving up the metabolism right before that big meal. 1 more each side. Last one. Good. Go ahead and come to the front edge of your mat and we'll do some inchworms, hinging it forward, walk it out to your high plank. Hold it here. Right foot to the outside. Right arm twist up. Set it down. Replace the foot, same thing other side, left. Twist, rotate, return, and replace 1 more to the right. Twist, rotate, center, replace other side, twist, center, replace. Now pike your hips up toward the ceiling, pedal through the feet. You will see some jumping today. Always options not to jump. But we're warming up through the ankles, the feet, Achilles. And go ahead and walk your hands back towards your feet. Roll it up 1 vertebrae at a time. As the last to return, alternating reverse lunges, reverse lunges. So each exercise is going to be 45 seconds. We get a 10-second transition in between each exercise. So again, cardio, low body, upper body, then core. Then a 30-second rest. Then we move on to the second block, or the next block. So we always start with cardio to get the heart rates up. 1 more each. And a little knee to chest. Now for our first cardio exercise, we're going to start with skaters, side to side. One more each, and then we're going right into our workout. All right, shake it out. We go in 3, 2, 1, side to side. 45 seconds here. So we go right into it. We're working hard today. We always do. Low impact, side to side stepping, okay? "20 seconds. Ramp up your heart rates, you got this. Come on, 10 seconds. Speed, go, side to side as fast as you can. 5, 3, 2, 1, grab your medium dumbbells. I'm gonna grab my 12s. We have reverse lunges, alternating reverse lunges, and begin. Whew. So we're still keeping the heart rates up, however, they'll lower just a little bit. So this is our lower body part. Next is upper body. Whew. Shoulders stacked on top of the hips. Sink it low into your lunge. We're gonna stick with our medium dumbbells coming up next. So we have bicep curls in 5, 3, 2, 1. 10-second transition. Now bicep curls. We're gonna stick to hammerhead style for this first one. 2, 1, begin. Exhale, curl. Inhale, lengthen. Make sure you feel the whole foot against the floor so that you're not rocking to the balls of the feet or your heels. Eye gaze is straight forward. Isolate your biceps. Think you're kind of squeezing at the top. 15 seconds. We're gonna grab our heavy dumbbell next for a standing core exercise. 3, 2, 1, set that off to the side. I'm gonna grab a 25-pound dumbbell, rack it up as if you're holding a goblet. We have marches. Here we go, drive the knee to the chest, alternating. Keeping that dumbbell straight up to the chest, and again, drive the knee straight up. Exhale, inhale, set it down. Exhale, inhale, down. If you don't have one heavy, you can do 2 medium dumbbells. But we are focusing on hip flexors, stabilizers through the pelvis, and abdominals. Of course, shoulders, just holding the dumbbell in front. 5, 3, 2, 1. You get 30 seconds off. Now our next cardio exercise, you're gonna do a side step to a hop. Side step to a hop. Option for a calf raise or a body weight squat as an option, okay? All right, block 2. Let's do this. Get those heart rates back up. 5, 3, 2, begin. 45 seconds. Big step, big jump. If you took compound cardio with me on Thursday, you saw this exercise. We're doubling up. Power, big jump up, as high as you can go. $15, come on, keep it up. 10. We got a nice holiday coming up. 3, 2, 1, 10 seconds off. Heavy dumbbell goblet squat. Goblet squat. Rack it up to the shoulders, just how we had it for that march. Wide stance, here we go. Down and up. Whew. Inhale, squat, exhale, stand. So we're driving our hips back. Shoulders stay elevated so that we're not hinging forward a ton. Woo, heart rates are up. We're gonna go to rows coming up next. 10 seconds. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. Heavy dumbbell off to the side. Medium, 10 to 15. I'm gonna grab my 12s. Rows, however, elbows stay bent. Here we go. Hinge it forward. Lengthen, lengthen, double. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Try to alternate. Right, left, then left, right. If you start to feel this into your low back, stagger your stance a bit. "15 seconds. We go into a standing core exercise next. Last one. Good. Set that weight off to the side. Wide sumo stance. Hands back behind the head. Side to side lateral flexion. Let's go. Obliques. internal and external, they knit together. So it forms your oblique muscles. Your obliques allow you to twist and rotate. This is a deceiving exercise, but you're going to side. Make sure you're not flexing forward or rounding forward. 15 seconds. Stay low through your legs. You have 5. Then we get a break. 3, 2, 1, and rest, water break. Now we're moving on to the third block of exercise. First, you're gonna grab your medium dumbbell. I'm probably gonna grab my 10 with this. Think of a single arm swing, but we're adding a shuffle in with this. So we swing, shuffle, swing, shuffle, swing, shuffle. I say first get the shuffle down and then add the swing. We go in 3. And here we go. So inside arm, swing, pass, swing, pass. Once you have the motion of it, speed it up. Weighted cardio. This is more of an advanced exercise. You can do this without the dumbbell, okay? Just do the side-to-side shuffle. Less than 20, more than halfway there. We go back to lunges. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. All right, lateral lunges. I'm gonna swap out for my 12s. Side to side, lateral lunges. Here we go. Ooh, that 10 seconds went by fast. So working our inner thighs, working the low body, but really targeting a little more inner thighs with this. Adductors. Calm down your breathing. Inhale, step it out. Exhale, push back together. Inhale, exhale. Three, 2, 1. I'm swapping back out for my 10s. We have a bicep curl to an Arnold press. Palms facing forward. Whew, here we go. So curling up, go up and around, shoulder press, lower, and then lengthen. So curl, up and around, return, lower. High curl, up and around, and lengthen. Shoulders. We do this once. One set. 15 seconds. We're almost there. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Bring it to the floor, to the floor. Flexed forward scissors. Arms long down by your sides, scissors. Okay? Begin. Legs can either be straight, or if it's too much, do bend knees. Almost like a little toe tap at the end. Gives you a nice hamstring stretch at the same time. Reach your arms long down by your sides. Let's burn it. Pull your belly button, your navel to your spine. Compress, sink it down. You got 10 seconds. Tuck your chin in toward your chest. C-shaped curve to your spine. 3, 2, 1. Done. 30 seconds off. Block 4. We're on block 4. Quick sip of water. I wish I could say it gets easier, but it doesn't. So our first cardio, we have a scissors, scissors, lunge jump. Scissor, scissor, lunge jump. Scissor, scissor, jump. Okay? We go in 5. Woo! Let's go! Quick, quick, down. Quick, quick, down. Option for this. Step, step, lunge. Step, step, lunge. Okay, there's always options. Always. Scissors. Spiking it back up. You know the drill. And we're not done with the lunges after this. 3, 2, 1. All right, medium dumbbells, medium to heavy. Long, arms long down by your sides, reverse lunges. We go in 3, 2, back to lunges, let's go. We're alternating. Now our last 2 exercises, they're down to the floor. Turkey burn. "20 seconds. We have 2 hard-hitting classes this week. This being one of them. Tomorrow cardio sculpt. Cardio sculpt. Wednesday and Thursday off for the holiday. 5, 3, 2, 1. Weight up to the side. Push-ups. Push-ups. Bring it down to the floor. 3, 2, 1, and go. Now you can do this onto all 4s. Lengthen at the hips how I'm doing it, or all the way up to the feet. I've been having some shoulder issues lately, so I'm modifying, keeping my knees down. I'm focusing on form, going a little bit slower so that I'm not getting pain in my shoulder. Okay, you're hearing it from me. I even have to modify. I'm not a superhuman, unfortunately. 5, 3, 2, one more. Good, onto your back. Bicycle crunch. We do quick, pause. Quick, pause. Here we go, 40 is on, 45. Quick, hold. One more block, that's it. About 5 minutes left of work. Stay with me. 15 seconds, you're doing great. 10. 3, 2, 1. Woo, roll it up. Bring yourself back up to your feet. Okay? Drink of water. We have our last set of skaters. It was a little nicer today. I didn't do burpees. I didn't do it. So last set of skaters, that first exercise that we did, okay? There's our repeater. We go in 5. Okay, let's go. Last block of work. This is it. We got Romanian deadlifts coming up next. Single leg alternating. Or you can do both feet down. Stay low, side to side. Skate it up. 20. Let's get the cardio out. You got 10 seconds. Speed it up. Give it to me. Empty your tank. Empty it. Come on. 3, 2, 1. 10 off. Heavy dumbbell, alternating, Romanian deadlift, single leg. Weight is in the opposite hand of the leg. Here we go. Hinging it forward, pass, other side, and pass. So I'm using a 25. You do you. Or you can do both dumbbells or both feet down. We are done with the hard-hitting cardio. Done with that. Ooh, balance. 10 seconds. Give those hammies and glutes some love. 5, 3, 2, 1. One medium dumbbell. I'm grabbing my 10 pound. Bring it down to your knees. Hold it by the ends. We have a chest press. Here we go. Out from the shoulders, return. I'll kind of angle myself here. So watch that as you press it, you're not leaning backwards. It's great for the quads, however, I want this primarily to be upper body and core. Deep breath. One exercise left. Last 10 seconds, speed, speed. Forward and back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep the weight, dead bug, dead bug. Hold the ends of the dumbbell. Legs are bent, arms reaching to the ceiling. Here we go, send one leg straight. Arms go above head, pull it back over. So this is a lat pull over. A little bit more of an advanced version of a dead bug. If you want even more challenge, send both legs straight, both legs. Exhale, send your legs straight. Inhale, bend. Ten seconds. Then we stretch. 5, 3, 2, one more. And rest. You made it. Awesome job. Stay down to your back, cross one leg over. Pull that knee to the chest. Hold it here. So our updated version of our group fitness schedule started this week. The only thing that changed is Tuesdays switched to cardio sculpt. And then Thursday is a take 10 with Michelle. Monday and Wednesday remains strength. Switch it up, other leg. Oh, that side is tight. Hold it here. Meeting notices are updated. If you did not receive it, contact the fitness center. Email us, we'll get you on the notice. All right, go ahead and release. Roll yourself back up. Let's get to your hips and your hamstrings. Bring your left leg forward. Nice deep lunge. Either holding it here or bring the hands down to the floor. Whew. So again, friendly reminder, we have class tomorrow, Cardio Sculpt, 11 a.m. I will be teaching that. Wednesday and Thursday, we are off for the holiday. Send the front leg straight, hinge it forward. Go ahead and release. Let's do the same thing other side. Find your lunge. Either hands to your thighs or to the inside of the feet. Whatever feels best. And send your front leg straight. Hinge it forward. Hammies. Per usual, thank you so much for joining class today. It's always nice to have you online, in person. We're glad that you're utilizing these services. And go ahead and release. Bring yourself back up to your feet. Virtual high fives. Awesome work today. I will see you tomorrow for cardio sculpt. Enjoy the rest of the day. We'll see you later.